Describe stories, character, setting, and making inferences. Readers often make inferences to figure out something an author has not explained. An inference is a logical guess based of facts and one's own knowledge and experience. To support your inference, you may need to cite evidence or provide examples and quotations from the story. Settings can affect characters by influencing their values, beliefs, and emotions, or by affecting the way they live and interact with other characters. For the next activities, you will need to draw upon your inferences from last night's homework. You will need to have your responses from questions numbers 1 through 6 available for this assignment. Refer to the story on pages 3 through 8 for text evidence. Complete slides 4 and 5.